We are looking at how to pronounce this name from German, a type of plum, brandy, liquor, alcohol. In German, it's said as Zwetschenwasser, Zwetschenwasser. It's a bit tricky for me, sorry. Zwetschenwasser. We are looking at how to pronounce this name from German, a type of plum, brandy, liquor, alcohol. In German, it's said as Zwetschenwasser, Zwetschenwasser. It's a bit tricky for me, sorry. Zwetschenwasser. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.